how rapport is built. So, as a director, I will introduce our characters. Tripura and Videojogi as doctors, Jumani and Kiara as nurses, Gayatri and Pritika as patients, and Lucy as the receptionist. So let's start with the scene 1 and let's watch what happens.
Excuse me, ma'am. What? I am Dr. Cohen. What should I do? What am I supposed to do? Fill your details. Room number 5. Okay. Good afternoon. I am appointment today. Good afternoon. What happened? अभी तो बोला था उसको. Room number 2.
Here you can see that the receptionist's behavior made the patient very uncomfortable. So let us proceed to the scene.
Come. क्या पढ़ रहे हैं?
Sir, I am suffering from fever past 10 days.
10 days. So whom are you waiting these 10 days? Huh? Whatever. Anything else?
Yes, sir.
What? Sit.
Sir, I have been suffering from something that I am afraid of. I am very sorry to talk about it.
No, let's say fast. I don't have time.
Actually, sir, I think I have pulled one of my muscles, so I am exercising.
Huh?
I think I have hurt myself when I was doing exercise.
Where?
From thigh to hip region.
Hip.
Yes. Yes.
Oh. Okay. So will you do an examination now? Yes.
What?
Go.
Go there, try to see there's the gate there. Just go and find out. What are you looking for?
Okay, let's move on.
So here you can see that this is the damage of being rushed, judgmental, and lacking modesty consideration. The patient treats like an object and not a person. So let's proceed to the scene. Face the audience.
Yes. Yes. So, yes. So, tell me about it.
I am suffering from serious trauma from past 5 days.
So, something was here. So, what was it?
Yes.
Okay, so, have you ever felt like that before? Okay, same years. Okay. So, what that means you have to do some relief examination.
Yes.
If you find it good, just to consult. So, for that, we have our assistant, Nurse Jumani. So, she is with that. Are you comfortable with this? Please, you are experienced with 10 persons. So, you're good. Okay. So, first, she is.
Are you comfortable? Yes.
information before a physical examination builds trust and respect. Building good rapport is not a luxury, it is a critical necessity. Patients who feel respected, heard, and safe are more likely to share critical information, adhere to treatment, and feel satisfied with the care.
Take time to listen to them. Their story is much more precious than your schedule.
Treat the patients like you want your own family members to be treated. Preserve their dignity. Put down your tensions and focus and make them their pride.
See how vulnerable we feel as patients when we are not treated right. So, build trust, build rapport, and build health together. Thank you.